Dan's secret to crushing direct mail in your real estate wholesaling business. What's up, guys? Zach Ginn here, and in today's video, I interviewed Dan Bro from New York on how he is crushing direct mail with this little known secret. So before I get into it, guys, before I share with you exactly how to crush direct mail today, please smash that like button and subscribe, and let's get in the video. What are some of your secret lists you've been kind of doing with your direct mail that's helped you get good response rates?
So I love that secret lists. People are always looking for that secret list.
Yeah.
You know what? So there's these standard lists that everyone's pulling. I don't think there is a secret list.
Mm-hmm.
I think that it's just like anything. Everything works. Every method of lead generation works. And so, you have your high equity, your blanket high equity. And then you can stack that with a vacant. So you have a vacant high equity home. You get people that have owned it for, 20 plus years, or they have, you check if there's any code violations, the water shut off list. I mean, there's a million lists you could pull. It's for me, high, like the standard high equity vacant, like that always performed well for me. But for me, what really brought my direct mail game to the next level was sending out that handwritten direct mail. Cause it just, the open rate through the roof, like almost 100% open rate when someone sees something that's actually handwritten and it's an actual handwritten letter. And so it just sticks around a lot longer. Someone gets a call and they hang up and they forget about you. Someone gets a letter, they might keep it on their fridge and it might stay there for months. And so they're not going to forget about you. And so for me, that made the big difference over like a special list.
Okay. So are these handwritten letters you're doing? Like, are you handwriting them, or is there like a service that's doing the auto pen thing?
So it's actual real by a real person, handwritten letters. And some people might think like, man, that's crazy. Like I don't have the time for it, or paying someone to do that would just be so ridiculously expensive. It wouldn't be worth it. Like I'm not going to pay like $4 a letter, which is what some of these services are charging. But when I started doing this, I was like, I got to figure out a better way to do this, because the response rate for postcards and stuff like that, it's just like terrible. You have to send out thousands just to get a deal. And so I developed a system where I'm actually getting real people, real handwritten letters for less than 60 cents a piece, which compared to what you would pay if you went anywhere else, it's like a 300% difference. We'll do all that for them. Price will be a little bit higher, but you won't have to do anything. It'll just be a mail house of real handwritten letters. Your response rates and your number of deals just go through the roof. So that's something I'm working on that I'm super excited about.
Thank you so much for watching that video today. If you want more free value for wholesaling real estate, remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Guys, if you want to join the best wholesaling real estate mentorship in the planet and join the wholesaling course that has the most people in it in the history of the world for wholesaling real estate, go to freewholesaling.com. It's free. There's no gimmicks. There's no upsells in this course. It is an absolute free wholesaling course. I've been told to charge thousands and thousands of dollars for it. I give it out for free. So like this video and subscribe. Join the movement for wholesaling real estate and go to freewholesaling.com and join my Wholesaling Houses for Real Facebook group. That is the largest mastermind in the country of like-minded wholesaling entrepreneurs who want to get connected absolutely for free and learn wholesaling real estate. Guys, I'll hope to see you there. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a blessed one.